Hey, what's up everybody? We are back out here. Going to attempt to do, or I should say redo, a test run. If you guys remember before, this thing was all squiggly due to the front carrier supports had some bolts missing out of both ends. If you guys watched the previous video, which I will put up here in the iCard, if you guys want to check that out, I did some IRP upgrades for the turnbuckles and also FhatDad 300mm Dogbones with some new boots, all greased up, ready to go. Gonna go ahead and plug in the batteries and let's get this rolling. Also, I want to show you, this is my basher body. When I bought this thing as a gas runner from my a friend of mine, he sold it with me with both of these bodies, and that's of course, as you guys know, that I did the electric conversion on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing powered on. Stay tuned. Okay, I already have the GNSS meter hooked up. We're running on 15 satellites. Gonna go ahead and hit start. She's testing. Okay, we got some movement. All right, let's see how well she'll handle now. Oh, much better. Okay, gonna get her down there quite a ways. All right, let's see what she could do. Off-road speed run. All right. Remember, I got the 2054 gearing in it. On the last speed run, I had an 1857. It's pretty loose out here, so I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get a good speed run. You know what I think I'm going to do, guys? I think I'm going to get some good off-road tires for this thing and just do it on the street and mess with the steering, because it's just too loose out here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out to the basher body and let's go jump this thing. I just wanted to test it out, make sure all the parts that we or that I installed on here were good. So just for the heck of it, let's just see what she did. I know it didn't go that fast. So we'll hit stop. Let's just say read. Oh, 38 miles an hour. That's what we got so far. That's pretty good, I guess. I mean, being off-road. But stay tuned, guys. I'm going to put the basher body on. All right, I got the basher body on. Let's go ahead and let's go have some fun with it. Let's see what she can do. Haven't jumped this thing in a while. Yeah, just see what she, take it easy. I like those tires, those Outcast fifth scale tires. They're nice and balloony. Man, she has some punch, man, let me tell you. Suspension feels great. I'd launch it off that hill right there, maybe at full speed over there to the cornfield. I don't know why my controller is beeping like that, but that's okay. Get this baby out there. Oh, you guys see that wheelie? Yes, sir. She's got some power. I gotta say, I do like the that 2054 gear. Little quarter throttle donuts there. We're up in some really rugged terrain here. I mean, this is really bumpy through here, guys. Nice. Okay, let's get into some really bumpy stuff here. You're gonna find too many 8 scales or 10 scales going through this stuff. Except for maybe the X-Max or something could do it. Suspension is soaking it up. I think I just ripped a tire. I think I just blew a tire, guys. Oh no. No, did I? Oh man. Well, I don't know if I ripped it. Oh, nope, just came unglued. Okay. Oh no, it did rip a little bit. But I think we can save it, hopefully. If not, I'm gonna have to go get her some steel belted tires, or tires that's going to hold up to this beast. And check all this stuff. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Good. Alright, let's just mosey it on back to the... Oh, wait. Yeah, she ripped. Crap. Well, not much for those tires. Or at least for that tire. Look, we're still running around. She's still good to ride. I just don't want to really open her up. Like on jumps, you're trying to throw the front end, or the front end back up, I should say. See here? Yeah, she'll be fine. Oh man, look at that. Very, very holy cow. This is exactly why I put this body on here, for when I want to go out and have fun. Yeah, I'm gonna guess that this tire's about had it now. It's okay, guys. I need to find some tires that's gonna work with this beast. Think it was that new gearing, that 54 20-tooth pinion gearing. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put them Proline trenchers back on here, because those things ain't gonna rip up. Maybe I'll try that. Man, I gotta send her at least one more time. Might as well finish the tire off, right? Heck yeah. Oh man, that was the tire that threw that thing all off in the air. That's okay. we're out here to have fun with it. I don't think this tire is gonna really matter too much. It's already destroyed. All right, let's send her one more time. Nice. Repair to do here. Nice. Yeah, I'll get that body repaired. Well, a couple of you subscribers had told me that I was going to blow the tires out. I was unsure because it's designed for a 5th scale outcast. Unless outcasts are blowing, you know, tires too. I don't know. But I tell you what, that 8S power behind those rear wheels, man, it takes a lot of force. But a couple of you guys that had said the tires were going to blow, well, you were correct. But I'm still going to run her. I'm going to have to really do some stitching on this body here. As you can see, she ain't doing too good. She's pretty cracked up there. Let's send her one more time, and we'll go get her put up. Bring her back over here. On it. I do like them soft tires. So okay, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, but I'm gonna go take it inside and let's inspect all the new parts we put on it and see what happened. She took a bunch of flips, man, some pretty hard landings. Nothing to the moon or nothing. I'm not trying to break it, but I'm just playing with it because it's fun to play with. So all right guys, stay tuned. We'll catch you on the bench. Okay, I did turn the meter back on, so we're going to hit stop and just see what she did. I know she didn't go that fast. Oh, okay, 34 mile an hour, not bad. That's just bashing around a little bit. I can only imagine with some street tires on that beast how well it could do. Stay tuned. All right, we are back at the bench, and my God, that was fun. Yes, I did. Obviously, I had to put the basher body on for that. It was already messed up. I mean, it was already, you know, glued back together. I don't know if it was like this before. I never really ran this body. I think it was last year in the snow I had it, just messing around. And, but yeah, I'm gonna have to do some serious modifications to this body to get it back up and going. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and see what other stuff may have went wrong, which I don't think nothing has. Wow, that thing's like shredded cheese in the back. Holy cow. Hey, by the way, if you guys are still with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share it out to your friends. I'll put the playlist up in the iCard or down in the description so you can see how you can build yourself an 8S build and follow me along on my journey to make this one badass electric Baja. Okay, let's go ahead and see. We do know for a fact that we blew a tire. And I added more damage to it, but I think it's not repairable. I'll see what I could do with it. But if it's going to blow like that and that little bit, I mean, come on. I mean, I really wasn't full throttle at any time during that video. So I'm thinking I'm going to go over here and put these back on. These are the trenchers I was telling you about earlier, which is on my 8S Monster Arma Mojave Beast, which we'll get this out soon because I did shred some tires with this one, and we did have these Duratrax on just for a little bit, and I caught these in time. These are glued, ready for his stock Creighton 6S to go out, so I'm not even going to bother wasting another set of tires. And maybe we'll just go ahead and put these back on the Baja, and I don't think I'm going to have any problems. So back over here. Alright, we already checked the speed. Let's see how's our front doing. Things good there. Everything's looking good there. Yeah. No damage other than I blew the tire. Dogbones, looks like the boot, is that a tear? No, that's just dirt there. It's not a tear. Looks like this, well, they're stock HPI new boots that I had put on there, and they're all looking really good. Dogbones are looking good. Yeah, looks like all them upgrades we did. Like I said, check out my previous video on this thing and you will see the upgrades that I have done. Man, I'm super excited. I can't wait. This gearing might be a little much for this 8S system, but I don't think so. I just need to find a set of tires that's going to hook up. So, okay, everybody, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions you may have, share this video out to your friends. And again, don't forget about this giveaway. It's the Axial SCX24 crawler, and it's loaded with mods. It's got a bunch of mods. I'll link all that stuff down too, so you guys can check that giveaway out. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 likes, whatever on the video, whatever comes first, and I will announce the winner to that giveaway. All right, guys, stay tuned and have a great day.